Are we ready to learn?
你哋係咪準備好學
Who wants
習
to
呢？
be diamond?
邊個想做鑽石？
Are you sure?
你係咪真嘅？
To become a diamond is not easy.
做鑽石咧一啲都唔容易㗎噃，
No problem.
冇問題。
Well, the first thing is you have to be teachable.
第一樣咧就係你要受教，
Don't ask from other people who have failed.
唔好問一啲失敗咗嘅人。
If you want to make a cake,
如果你想做個蛋糕，
you ask someone who already know how to make a cake.
咁咪問一啲咧已經識做蛋糕嘅人啦，
You don't ask for advice from bricklayer.
唔好問一啲砌磚嘅工人。
Later on, your cake will be like a stone, like rocks.
如果你問咗啲砌磚嘅工人咧，你個蛋糕就好似個石頭
So
咁。
if you want to be diamond, you ask diamond.
所以咧，如果你想做鑽石嘅話咧，就問翻一啲已經做咗鑽石嘅人。
You have a lot of diamonds here.
呢度再做好多鑽石。
And a lot of people in Indonesia, they want to be successful, but they ask people who fail.
喺印尼咧，好多人好想喺呢個生意成功，但係佢哋偏偏咧就問咗一啲失敗嘅人。
There are so many people fail in this business.
喺呢個生意裏邊，好多人係失敗咗。
I've seen thousands of people in Indonesia fail from Amway.
喺印尼咧，我見到數以千計嘅人喺安利呢個生意裏邊失敗咗。
But they don't fail actually, they just quit.
其實咧，佢哋冇真正咁失敗，只不過咧佢哋咧放棄咗。
You cannot fail from this business.
呢個生意咧喺呢個生意裏邊，你唔會失敗㗎，
You just quit.
你只係放棄。
And you know why they quit?
你知唔知點解佢哋放棄啊？
Because their dream is not big enough.
因為佢哋嘅夢想唔夠大。
And you know, number one, the very important thing is you have to have a dream.
第一樣就係你一定要有個夢想。
Like I show you the house I had now.
剛才我話俾你聽，我間屋咧，
It started with a dream.
呢個就係我嘅夢想開始。
My architect, it happens to be my sister-in-law.
嗰個設計師咧就咁巧就係我個sister-in-law，即係我個姨仔。
I told her this is the type of house I want.
我話俾佢聽咧，呢個係我想要嘅屋。
So she put a mock-up, you know,
咁佢就做咗個假嘅
a miniature of my
一
house.
個縮影出嚟啦。
So she can see the house that I want 2 years ago.
咁喺2年前咧，佢就意會到我想要嘅屋係點。
So someone else has to see first and then become reality.
咁有人係要睇到嗰個樣係點樣啦，先至可以做個真嘅屋出嚟嘅。
Now my house is exactly like the one that she put in.
而家我間屋咧就好似佢當初做個模型一樣。
If having a house, you have to design first.
你有間屋咁，你開初一定要設計定先啦。
If you want to build your future, you have to design it first.
當然啦，如果你想建立你嘅將來，你而家要做個決定啦。
Do you know already what kind of future would you like to have?
你知唔知你想要個咩嘅將來啊？
Whether in 5 years' time, if you have lots of money and lots of time, what would you like to do?
5年後你有好多時間同埋錢嘅話，你想做啲咩呢？
Are you sick of having a lot of debt?
係咪你已經負債咧，負到你好攰呢？
Do you want to help a lot of people?
你想唔想幫好多人？
Or maybe you are worried your parents are getting old, you want to make them happy?
或者你嘅父母咧已經年長啦，你想令到佢哋開心啦？
I don't know what you want, but you need to write it down.
我唔知道你要乜嘢，不過你要寫低你想要嘅嘢。
You have to put it in your dream book.
你要放呢啲嘢喺你個夢想嘅書本裏邊。
Dream book is very important.
呢本夢想嘅簿咧係好重要㗎。
Put everything that you want it to happen in your dream book.
你想要發生嘅嘢咧，我都要想你放喺你本夢想嘅簿裏邊。
But don't put anything that you just feel, oh, I wish I can have that. It's not a wish.
但唔好話求其我想要呢啲或者點樣都寫落去。
If you put like a Ferrari car in your dream book,
例如你放一個法拉利嘅車喺你個夢想嗰本簿裏
is
邊
it
咧，
really what you want?
呢樣嘢係咪真係你想要嘅咧？
Or it's just like if you have found a lot of rejection, then you said, I don't need a Ferrari.
定係話如果你面對咗幾次嘅拒絕之後咧，你就話我都法拉利要唔要冇所謂啦。
That's why you need to find something that make you hurt,
你要揾到啲嘢咧係真係咧，你諗起嘅時候咧，你會覺得心痛心凍嘅，
make you want to cry.
令到你係想流淚嘅。
One of my dream is I want to prove that I'm a winner.
我其中一個夢想咧就係想證明我自己係一個贏家。
Since I was a child, I never get any recognition.
我由細至大咧都冇人俾個嘉許我嘅。
Not even my parents, they never pat me on my back.
甚至我父母咧，佢從來都冇讚過我嘅。
My older brother, he is the hero in the family.
我大哥咧就係家庭裏邊嗰個目光個注視嘅重點啦。
Me, nothing.
我就乜嘢都唔係嘅。
So I just want to prove that I can achieve something in my life.
其實我就係想喺我生命裏邊，我證明我係做到一啲嘢嘅。
One of my dreams is I want to prove to my friends that they are wrong, I'm right.
我另外一個夢想咧就話，我想證實俾我啲朋友睇，佢哋係錯嘅，而我係啱嘅。
Because when I do this business, all of them said that I'm crazy.
因為我開初做呢個生意嘅時候咧，佢全部都講話我癲嘅，
They insulted me.
佢哋侮辱緊我。
They said Amway is just for housewife. You are executive, we are executives.
佢話：你呢個生意淨係俾主婦嘅啫，你係行政人員，我哋亦都係行政人員。
And the more they said that to me, the stronger my desire to prove that I want to be a diamond soon.
佢哋越講得多嘅話咧，我越想就盡快做成一個鑽石。
So I have a story when a small child asks an old man about what is the dream.
我有一個故事喎，講緊有個細路仔咧就問一個老人家，問個老人家：你個夢想係咩㗎？
And this old man was not answering the question.
咁呢個老人家就冇回答呢個問題。
So he just took the boy to the sea.
呢個老人家就帶呢個細路仔咧去個海邊啦。
So he is walking with the boy on the beach and going to the water.
咁佢帶住呢個細路仔行啦，行埋去個水邊嗰度。
And then the water got to the waist.
咁啲水咧就升到上去腰咁高啦。
They kept walking
佢哋繼續行，
up to the shoulder.
直至水升到上膊
They
頭，
kept walking.
又繼續行。
And then he dragged the boy head into the water.
咁佢拖住細路仔咧，直至到個頭咧俾水浸過為止。
And the boy was gasping.
咁個細路仔咧就好辛苦啦，唞氣啦。
And he kept pushing the boy's head.
個老人家就撳住個細路仔嘅頭落水。
And then when the boy is going to collapse,
個細路仔差唔多跌低嘅時候，
he pulled the head.
個老人家咧就抽翻個細路仔上水面。
And the boy was so mad.
個細路仔就好嬲啦，
Why do you want to kill me?
做咩你想殺我啊？
I only want to ask you what is the dream.
我淨係想問你個夢想係咩啫嘛？
And then he asked the old man said, what do you really need when you are in the water?
咁個老人家就話啦：你喺水底掙扎嘅時候，你最想嘅以為係乜嘢啊？
I want some air.
個細路仔就話：我淨係想要啲空氣啫。
So if you want something that is so bad,
如果你係要啲嘢要得咁迫切嘅話，
that is the dream.
嗰啲就係你嘅夢想咯。
So have you ever felt that you really want to die if you don't achieve it?
你有冇諗過一啲嘢係你冇嘅時候咧，你真係想死咗佢咁滯？
Maybe not.
可能你冇㗎。
That's why this kind of seminar is very important.
所以呢啲聚會對我哋嚟講就好重要。
Maybe all of you already satisfied with the way you are now.
可能你哋對你而家擁有嘅嘢已經好滿足，
But I suggest to you, do this business before you really need it.
但係我會建議你開始做呢個生意，唔好等到你真係要話有呢個需要嘅時候先做。
Prepare umbrella before it really get rains.
落雨之前咧就好揾定把遮啦。
In Indonesia right now, there are so many people out of job.
喺印尼咧，而家好多人係失業嘅。
You know, right now in Indonesia, $1 it reached up to 17,000 rupiah before. Now it's better.
以前咧差唔多$1咧就係對17,000嘅印尼幣。
17,000. Before it was 2,400 rupiah in a dollar.
以前咧就$1係對2000幾嘅印尼嘅幣嘅啫。
And a lot of company fired everybody,
好多公司咧就裁好多僱員，
including my friends.
包括我朋友在
I
內。
felt sorry for them.
我真係對佢哋，我覺得好慘，我覺得佢哋。
But before I asked them,
但係之前我問過佢哋㗎，
do this business.
做呢個生意啦。
But they are too snob. They don't want to look at the business.
但係佢哋太高傲啦，根本都唔會睇呢個生意。
Some of them, when I show the plan, they were like this.
有啲我講計劃嘅時候咧，佢哋翹埋手腳，
They were reading
佢
newspaper.
哋睇報紙，
They acted busy answering the
佢
phone.
哋扮忙啦，聽電話啦，
They were smoking.
食煙啦。
So they did everything they can just to ignore me and to insult me.
佢哋做好多嘢咧，係想唔聽我講嘅嘢，同埋去侮辱我嘅啫。
But some of them listened and they did this business.
咁當然有啲係聽我講嘅嘢，亦都參與咗個生意啦。
But now when they're out of the job, they don't worry because they got this business.
而家咧，當佢哋咧冇咗份工嘅時候咧，佢哋唔需要擔心，因為佢哋有擁有咗呢個生意。
So do this business before you really need it.
所以真係要未雨綢繆。
And this seminar, at first I thought I want to learn more about techniques
其實喺呢啲聚會裏邊咧，最初我以為我想學多啲技巧，
because I am a civil engineer.
因為我係一個土木工程師，
I want to know techniques.
我想學啲技巧。
Maybe a lot of you expect me to tell you all the secrets how to become diamond.
可能咧，你哋在座咧好多以為希望我話俾你聽啲竅妙點樣做成一個鑽石。
Number one secret is to have a dream
第一個秘密咧就係話要有你嘅夢想，
because techniques is nothing.
因為技巧咧其實唔係咩嚟嘅啫。
After you find a lot of rejection, you don't need that many techniques.
當你咧接受咗幾個俾人拒絕咗幾次之後咧，你已經唔需要咩技巧㗎喇。
But if you have a dream, you keep doing it until you're good.
但係咧，如果你有個夢想嘅話咧，你會繼續做，直至到你做得更加好為止。
I know it's hard to get people to have a dream.
我知道係好難嘅，要啲人去揾自己嘅夢想。
It's just like it's hard to get a horse to drink the water.
正如咧，好似好難咧揾隻撳隻馬去要飲水嘅一樣。
You can pull the horse into the pond of water,
你可能要好辛苦拉隻馬咧，拉佢去個水邊，
but you cannot get the horse to drink the water.
但係你好難撳低隻馬個頭要去飲水。
The only way you can get the horse to drink the water by putting some salt into his mouth.
唯一嘅方法令個馬飲水咧，就係放啲鹽喺佢嘅口度。
Then it gets thirsty and it feels like drinking the water.
咁佢哋頸渴啦，跟住就想飲水啦。
So right now what we're trying to do is to put salt in your mouth.
而家我哋做咩咧？就係嘗試放啲鹽喺你個嘴裏邊，等你舐下。
Have you found your dream yet?
你
Are
揾
you
到你夢想未
thirsty?
啊？頸渴
Not
未
yet.
啊？未啊。
Hopefully by the end of this talk you will find your dream.
希望咧喺呢個聚會完結之前，你揾到你嘅夢想。
So number one is to have a dream.
第一個就係揾你嘅夢想。
Number two, if you want to be successful, you have to have a goal.
第二啦，如果你想成功嘅話咧，你一定要有個目標。
All of you want to be a diamond,
你哋全部都想做鑽石，
but maybe for some of you, diamond is a bit too far out of reach.
但係有啲對你嚟講咧，做鑽石就太遙遠啦，
So you need to put short-term goal.
所以咧你就要訂立啲短線啲嘅目標。
If you want to travel far away, you need to take a small step first.
如果咧你想去到好遠嘅目的地咧，你要踏出細嘅步先。
A long journey always initiated by a small step.
一啲好長嘅、好遙遠嘅旅程咧，係要由細嘅步開始。
A lot of people work hard in this business,
好多人喺呢個生意裏邊好
but
勤力
they
做，
fail because they do not have a goal.
但係咧佢哋失敗，因為佢哋冇一個目標。
All of you should have a goal, otherwise you cannot get here tonight.
每一個人都要有個目標嘅，如果唔係咧，你今晚嚟唔到呢度。
If you do not know where the BBS is, you just being told on Friday at 7 o'clock, I'll see you at the BBS.
如果咧你根本就唔知個地點喺邊度，你淨係知道啊星期五7點鐘我喺個業務拓展講座見你啦咁。
None of you will be here because you do not know where to go.
我肯定你嚟唔到呢度，因為根本你唔知去邊。
You have to have a goal.
你有個目的地。
If you do not have a goal, nobody can help you.
如果你冇目標嘅話咧，冇人幫到你。
If I'm lost in Hong Kong area
如果我喺香港蕩失路咧，
and I ask a policeman,
我問個警察
Sir, please help me, I'm lost.
：Sir 啊，你幫下我蕩失路啊！
And the policeman said, no problem, where do you want to go?
警察話冇問題，你想去邊啊？
I forgot.
死啊！我唔記得咗啊！
Where's your hotel?
你酒店喺邊啊？
I don't know.
我真係唔知喎。
Can the policeman help me?
警察幫唔幫到你啊？
You have to have a goal.
你有個目的地，
You have to have a direction.
你有個方向。
If you have a very nice car with a lot of fuel but do not know where to go,
如果你有好靚嘅車，又載滿晒油，但你唔知去邊喎，
you will run out of fuel and then you go nowhere.
你揸下就冇晒油，根本就唔知去邊。
A lot of people back there in Indonesia, they work hard. At the end of the day, they achieve nothing.
好多印尼嘅人呢，每日都好辛勤力咁工作，但係每一日完結咗嘅時候呢，佢哋乜嘢都攞唔到。
Just like if you want to do 50 steps, you have to know where the direction.
正如你想行50步，你要知道你嘅方向係向邊。
50 steps can be that way,
行50步可能係
can
呢
be
個
that
方向，
way,
另外一邊方
that
向
way,
呢度嗰度，
backwards.
褪後。
And the worst thing, some people do 50 steps like this,
最慘就有啲人咧做50步就係咁樣嘅原地踏步嘅，
around the circle.
原地踏步。
At the end of the day, they are confused. Why do I not go anywhere?
咁嗰日完結咗嘅時候咧，根本咧你就都冇行到去邊。
Work very hard day after day, but nothing, achieve nothing.
每一日都係咁好勤辛工作，但係冇達到任何嘅嘢。
In this business, you have to have a goal and check with your upline. What is your right goal?
喺呢個生意裏邊咧，你有個目標，同埋咧同你嘅上線去檢核一下你嘅係咪正確嘅。
Personally, the goal for me is you need to be core.
喺我嘅心目中咧，我嘅目標就係你需要做一個核心組員。
Some of you maybe get bored tonight
有啲人覺得今晚好悶嘅，
because you sit around.
因為你就咁坐喺度。
But if you come up on stage to be recognized, you will not get bored.
如果你今晚有上台俾人褒獎嘅話，我肯定你唔會咁悶。
So make a goal. Next BBS, what kind of pin do you want to be recognized?
所以訂立一個目標，睇下下次嘅 BBS 你上台嘅時候係得到啲咩褒獎。
Also, how many people are you going to bring at the next BBS in January?
同埋諗下喺1月份嘅一個業務拓展講座，你帶幾多人嚟啊？
The next January, there will be a Diamond Direct from Malaysia.
喺1月份嘅業務拓展講座咧，有一個Diamond Direct 喺
I
馬
know
來西亞
him
過嚟。
personally. His name is Kamaljit Singh.
我個人認識佢嘅，佢個名就係 Carmen Gibson。
Malaysia, Amway has been there for 20 years.
安妮喺馬來西亞已經超過20年㗎啦。
And he became diamond very fast in a very matured market.
甚至係一個咁舊嘅市場咧，佢已經好短時間咧做到佢嘅鑽石嘅業績。
There are, I think, a lot of diamonds already in Malaysia.
喺馬來西亞咧已經好多鑽石㗎啦。
They said when you are in the market with a lot of people,
啲人話咧，如果當你喺個市場度有好多人嘅話，
and if you throw a stone,
你抌個石頭出去，
it must hit an Amway distributor.
你抌個石頭出去咧，你肯定咧個石頭會撞親一個安利嘅直銷商嘅。
They said the market is saturated already.
佢哋話個馬來西亞嘅市場已經飽和晒㗎啦。
But he became diamond,
但係咧呢個人做咗鑽
I
石，
think, in 3 or 4 years only.
好似係3至4年嘅時間嘅啫。
So his story is really good.
所以佢嘅故事咧係好值得你哋
You
去
have
聽
to
嘅。
bring a lot of people coming to the next BBS.
你要帶好多人嚟下次嘅業務拓展講座。
He is going to teach you about what to do in the leaders meeting at the 10 plus.
佢會教你咧點樣做，喺嗰個call meeting 裏邊咧教你點樣做。
So you have to make a goal at least to bring 10 people for the next BBS.
所以咧定立個目標，最少帶10個人嚟下次嘅 BBS，咁所以你就可以嚟到個 call meeting。
At the moment now you are excited.
而家你好興奮啊！
Can you imagine if today you bring 10 people and all of them are excited with you?
諗下，如果你今日帶咗10個人嚟，20個人都同你一齊咁興奮嘅，
Your business will be very big.
你個生意就會好龐大噶啦。
And also you have to make a goal for the next free enterprise in Manila.
同埋咧，你要定立個目標係喺Malaysia 嘅下次嘅 Free Enterprise。
You know, Jim Donan will come to Manila.
Jim Donan 咧就會去到馬尼拉。
Jim Donan is the founder of Network 21.
Jim Donan 咧就係網絡21嘅始創人，
He has 30 years experience.
佢有30年嘅經驗。
He did everything wrong twice to make sure it was wrong.
佢咧每樣錯嘅嘢咧都做雙重嘅，就想證實呢樣嘢一定係錯
That's
嘅。
why now he can come up with a very good system. We just have to follow.
所以而家佢有個好好嘅系統，我哋只需要去跟隨嘅啫。
There are thousands and thousands of people in Indonesia whose life have been changed because of Jim Donan.
喺印尼咧，因為 Jim Donan 咧，所以好多人嘅生活咧，成千上萬嘅人嘅生活咧已經改變咗。
So you have to make an attempt to go there.
所以咧，你真係要抽空去嗰個聚會。
So that's number 1, number 2, and number 3 is you have to work.
第3樣咧就要工作啦。
Maybe you're not very excited about this
可能第3點咧你就唔係好興奮嘅啫，
because I find I read something in Australia.
因為喺澳洲嘅時候，我睇過一啲報道啦。
They made a survey of people who wants to win a lottery.
佢做一個調查就係睇啲人好想贏嗰啲彩票嗰啲人啊。
Out of the people whose dream wants to win the lottery,
其中嗰啲好想贏呢個彩票嘅人咧，
only 10% bought a ticket.
只有1/10人咧係買嗰個彩票嘅，
90% do not buy a ticket but wants to win a lottery.
有90%嘅人咧係唔買彩票，但係又想贏嘅喎。
A lot of people wants to daydreaming, not dream but daydreaming.
好多人呢係想唔係有夢想，係發白日夢嘅佢哋。
Of course, some people ask me, this business is hard.
好多人話同我講話呢個生意好辛苦嘅噃。
Well, if it's easy, I wouldn't want to join Amway.
咁啊，梗係啦。如果容易嘅話咧，我就唔會加入安利噶啦。
Because everybody will be successful,
因為個個人都成功啦嘛，
everybody will be diamond,
個個都係晒鑽石啦，
and no money.
冇錢剩嘅。
The reasons why diamonds is very well recognized because it's not easy.
好多人對鑽石都有好高嘅推崇，因為根本係唔容易嘅。
I think it's an insult if you take a business that offer you easy.
我諗咧，如果個生意係好容易做到嘅話咧，其實呢個基本上係一個侮辱嚟嘅。
If you have self-esteem, I think you don't want to accept any business who are easy money.
我諗咧，如果你係有自尊嘅話咧，你唔會咁隨便接受一個生意係好容易揾到錢。
There must be something wrong. It's against the natural law. If you want something good, you have to have struggle.
你想要攞到啲好好嘅嘢嘅話咧，一定要掙扎，呢個係自然定律嚟嘅。
Oh, actually, I made a mistake. One day, do you want to know why I become executive diamond?
你有冇諗緊想唔想知道我點解做成行政鑽石啊？
One day, I sponsored 9 people,
有一日我保薦咗9個人，
and all those 9 people are very teachable,
咁9個人咧全部都好受教嘅喎，
and they all become
佢
successful.
哋全部都好成功。
Suddenly, they become direct distributor,
突然間咧，佢哋做咗啲啦，
and without realizing, here I am, I become executive diamond.
你諗都冇諗，同一聲我就變咗一個行政鑽石啦。
Do you want to hear that story?
你想唔想聽呢啲故事啊？
It's boring.
好悶嘅呢啲故仔，
It make people hate you.
令到人哋好憎你。
People will say, gee, you lucky.
啲人話：切，你幸福啫咩？
I will not be invited to share stories like this if I'm that lucky.
如果我真係咁幸福嘅話咧，我唔會喺呢度同你講到啲咁感動嘅故仔。
You know Jack Nicklaus?
你有冇
The golfer？
認識過嗰個打高爾夫球嗰個人啊？
A lot of people say, wow, he's talented, he's lucky.
好多人話佢係好有天分，佢好有好彩啫。
But from the age of 7 until 14 years old,
由7歲至到14歲咧，
for 7 years, he hit 1,000 balls every day.
連續7年咧，佢每日咧都要打1000球嘅。
So more than 2 million golf balls on the 7 years he hit the golf balls.
咁喺嗰2年裏邊咧，佢打過超過700萬個波。
Anybody who hit 2 million golf balls in 7 years' time?
有冇人喺7年裏邊打過超過200萬
Do
個
you
波
think
啊？
if you hit that many golf balls, you can be as good as him?
你有冇諗過，如果你打到咁多球嘅話咧，你都好似佢咁叻？
Maybe because you haven't tried.
可能得㗎，不過你冇試過咋。
Show 1,000 plans.
試下講1000個計劃啊！
If you show 1,000 plans with the right attitude, you will go diamond.
如果你講1000個計劃有好嘅態度嘅話咧，你都會做鑽石嘅。
Try it if you don't believe me.
如果你唔信我嘅話，試下。
A lot of people said, gee, Robert, when you show the plan, you're very good.
有啲人話：梗係啦，Robert，你講咁多個計劃，你梗係好叻啦。
I said, I will kill myself if I still do bad plan.
我話：如果我講計劃仲講得差嘅話咧，我會殺我自己啊！
Because I've done thousands times.
因為我做咗咁多千次啦。
At first, of course, it's not easy.
最初當然唔係容易啦，
But it's simple. It's just, at first, it's awkward to do it.
其實好簡單嘅啫。但係開初嗰時你有啲唔習慣，
Just like when a small baby trying to walk, it's awkward, right?
正如好似一個細路仔要學行咁樣，通常開初都唔係好自然噶啦，
Fell down and then go up again.
跌倒又要起身。
And you as parent, if you see your baby fell down, do you say, don't stand up again, you will fall up.
咁作為父母，如果你見到你個細路跌低咗，你冇叫佢唔好行啦。
when you grow up, I buy you wheelchair.
你長大咗之後，我買個輪椅俾你啦。
As a good parent, you said, come on, you can do it, standing up again, standing up
作為
again.
好父母咧，應該鼓勵佢起身啦，繼續行啦，起身啦，再試過。
You know the secret of success?
成功嘅背後嘅道理係，
You go up once more, then you fall down.
你再起身多一次咧，跟住你就會再跌噶啦。
So it's awkward to see a 1-year-old baby to run.
如果你見到一個1歲細路仔去跑步咧，你覺得好怪。
But now it's awkward to see an adult whenever they try to walk, they fall.
但係而家你見到大人行下，嘣一聲跌落地下，你覺得好奇怪。
Meaning that after you make it as a habit, everything easy.
個意思就係話，當你將嗰個動作變成一個習慣嘅時候咧，咩都會變得好容易。
When you're small, it's hard to tie your shoelaces.
細個嘅時候，你覺得好難綁
Now you
鞋帶，
can do that.
而家你就做到啦。
It's hard for you to learn how to drive the
係
car.
開初學揸車嗰時好困難，
Now whenever you drive, you can make a phone call, you can eat.
而家一路揸車，你一路講電話，一路食嘢啦。
Once you make a habit, it's easy.
你將嗰個動作變成一個習慣嘅時候咧，就好容易噶啦。
Try to grab your hands like this.
嘗試咁樣去捏埋你隻手啊！
Everybody, please.
每一個人都做呢個動作，唔該。
And then, who are whose hands? The left one on top of the right one.
邊
The
隻手
left thumb on top of the right
將
thumb.
隻左手指公搭喺右手指公嘅上面呢？邊個係
Okay.
咁樣做
Who
㗎？
has the right one on top of the left one?
邊個係右手指公搭喺左手公上面嘅？
Okay, now do it on the opposite.
而家相反咁樣做，
So right on top of left if you're used to left on top. It's awkward, right?
係咪好怪呢？
You feel somebody else's hand.
你覺得隻手唔係你自己嘅？
Okay, now you leave it open
而家開翻手，
and suddenly you bring it back again.
突然又翻埋喎，
So you come back to the original.
你就用
Isn't
翻
it?
最初你嗰個方法去合埋隻手
Because you
嘅，
are used to it.
因為你習慣咗啊嘛。
You're used to watching TV after work.
你慣咗放工睇電視，
You're used to go out every Friday night with friends.
你慣咗每個禮拜五晚同朋友出街，
You're not used to showing the plan.
你唔慣去講計劃咯，
You're not used to invite people.
你唔慣去邀約咯，
You're not used being rejected by your friends.
你唔慣俾人拒絕，
It's hard
好難嘅。
at first.
最初係
But
咁嘅，
once it's a habit, it's okay.
但係你將呢啲動作咧變成一個習慣之後咧，就絕對冇問題㗎啦。
The work in this business is simple.
喺呢個生意裏邊要做嘅嘢係好簡單。
I know I said just now it's not easy, but it's simple.
我淨係先講話唔容易，但係我而家講話好簡單。
The one that makes it hard is rejection.
最難嗰部分咧就係個拒絕。
Not the physical work. Physical work is nothing.
我唔係我哋嘅體能上面嘅工作啊，體能上面嘅工作係即係濕碎啦。
But being rejected,
但係俾人
wow,
拒
it
絕咧，
hurts you.
俾人拒絕咧就令到你心痛。
So you know how to make you feel good whenever you being rejected?
你知唔知道每次俾人拒絕嘅時候，你要點樣先令到自己心情好好過啊？
You buy one big bucket and one small bucket.
買兩個桶，一個大桶，一個細桶，
Whenever people, and then you buy lot of marbles.
買好多波子。
Whenever people rejected you, you put the marbles here.
每次有人拒絕你嘅時候，抌一粒波子落個大桶度。
And then somebody said, "No, I don't like it. Put it here."
有多個人講話拒絕嘅時候，抌多粒波子落去。
And whenever they say, "Oh, you're stupid doing Amway," put it there again.
有多個人鬧你蠢材做 L 你，又抌多粒波子落
And
去。
they say, "No, no, 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 no." Do you realize that people when they say no in the different way?
有冇留意好多人講唔
No
做嘅時候
No,
用
no, 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 no,
用
no,
呢個
no, no. And someday, unfortunately, there will be people say, "Oh, looks interested. I want to join."
但係有一日咧，有個人都唔錯啊，我想參加，
You put that.
咁你抌落去嗰
And
個
then
細桶，
no, 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 no. Yes.
咁咪繼續好多個唔做，有一個做啦。
And then your goal is before you go diamond, you have to fill up the marbles with the in the two bucket.
咁咧個目標就話你做鑽石之前咧，你就要攞啲波子填滿晒呢兩個桶。
So if you want to be diamond, you have to fill up all the marbles, fill up in the two buckets.
想做鑽石嘅話咧，就一定要用波子填滿晒呢兩個桶。
The negative bucket is a lot bigger than the positive one.
記得呢個負面嘅桶咧係大過嗰個正面嘅桶嘅。
So in fact, when people say no to you, you should be thankful
當人哋話拒絕你嘅時候咧，你應該講多謝，
because it's harder because it's big. You have to fill it up quickly.
因為咧呢個桶好大啊，你要盡快去填滿佢啊。
The reasons why your diamonds become diamond, I become diamond because
點解我哋做定鑽石咧？係因為
I find more no's than you.
因為咧我揾到多拒絕多過你。
So when people say no,
每次人哋講拒絕嘅時候，
hug them.
攬住佢，
Thank you very much
多謝你啊！
because you are on the way to become diamond.
因為咧你就已經
You know
係
why it
變緊
makes
鑽
hard
石。
for you?
點解對你嚟講好辛苦咧？
Because you keep looking for people who say yes.
因為你不停咁諗住揾一啲講肯做嘅人，
You have to change your paradigm.
你要轉變你嘅睇法。
You have to find from tomorrow. You have to find people who say no.
由聽日開始揾一啲講
I'm
拒絕嘅人。
serious.
我講
And
認真嘅，
unfortunately, it's very unfortunate. Along the way, you will find people who say yes.
即係好唔好彩，你揾一啲講拒絕嘅人咧，你會揾到一啲肯做。
I tried that before,
我試過呢條路㗎啦，
and it worked.
行得通㗎。
Some of you trying to look for people who say yes all the time
我知好多人咧成日都揾人係肯做嘅，
and sing this song.
同埋唱呢支歌。
No, 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 yes. No, 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 yes.
就好似佢咁樣唱啦。
How many yes? How many yes are there?
有幾多個係講肯做㗎？
Two.
兩
How
個
many
啫。
no?
幾多個 no 啊？
A lot. You don't count it because you don't focus on it, right?
多到多到數唔到，因為你冇留心聽見有幾多個拒絕。
So, the work, okay, that's number 3, okay? It's work.
第三
And
點
number
工作
4.
第四點，
Number 4 is, actually, I only have 4.
其實我得
Aren't
四
you
點嘅
lucky?
啫。你中唔中意啊？
Still early. Number 4 is
仲早。
never give up.
第四，永不放棄，
Never quit.
永遠都唔好放棄。
You know, I have a story. There's an, you know, in Indian people in America, Indian tribe.
美國嗰啲印第安納嗰啲部族咧，
These Indian people, the tribes, are often like to dance
嗰啲
to
印第安
ask for rainy days.
啲印第安人成日跳舞去求雨嘅，
And sometimes when they dance, sometimes it rains,
有時佢哋跳舞會落雨啦，
sometimes it's not.
有時係冇雨落。
But they believe when they dance, it will rain.
但係佢哋深信咧，佢哋求雨跳舞嘅時候就會落雨噶啦。
And there is one tribe,
有一個部族咧，
whenever they dance,
每次佢哋跳舞嘅時候，
it always rains.
成日都落雨嘅喎。
So all other Indian people are curious. Why? What is the secret?
咁其他印第安人嗰啲人咧就點諗下，點解個背後嗰個巧妙喺邊度咧？
So one day they asked the tribe,
有一次
the
咧，佢
head
哋
of the tribe,
嗰啲其他人咧就問嗰個部族個族長啦：，
hey, my friend,
喂朋友，
can you tell us your secret?
可唔可以話俾我聽你啲秘密咧？
We notice whenever you dance, it always rains.
我哋發覺你跳親舞嘅時候咧都會落雨喎。
When we dance, sometimes it rains, sometimes it does not.
當我哋跳嘅時候咧，有時落，有時唔落。
What is your secret?
你嘅秘密喺邊咧？
And this head of the tribe was asking back, do you really want to know my secret?
咁呢個族長咧就問：你係咪真係好想知道我秘密啊？
Yeah, please tell us, what is the secret? Why is it that whenever you dance, it always rains?
咁啲人話：唔該你啊，我想知道點解你跳親舞嘅時候都會落雨㗎。
Do you really want to know the secret? They
族
said.
長就話：你係咪真係想知道個秘密先？
Yes.
係啊係啊。
Well, it's so simple.
咁個族長就話：好簡單嘅啫，
We dance until it rains.
我哋跳舞跳到落雨為止咯。
So never quit.
所以咧，永遠都唔好放棄。
You just keep working until you become diamond.
你做繼續做，做到你做咗鑽石為止。
That's the biggest secret why people become diamond.
呢個咧就係做鑽石嘅最大秘密。
People quit before they succeed.
啲人咧未成功之前已經放棄咗，
You only need to find 6.
你只需要揾6個人。
Gee, 6 out of 1 billion people in China.
喺1億嘅人口裏邊揾6個，喺
6
中
out
國
of your friends.
喺朋友之中揾6個，
I don't think it's hard.
我唔覺得困難。
6 people who wants to earn an extra $10,000, $20,000 a month.
揾6個人係想額外賺120,000蚊。
You go on the Causeway Bay and Tsim Sha Tsui.
你去銅鑼灣尖沙咀，
You stand on the corner.
你企喺路邊
You ask people, do you want to be rich?
問下人：
You
你
want
使
to
唔使
be
有
rich?
錢？有冇揾錢？
Well, of course, it's not that we teach you.
當然我唔係教你做呢啲嘢啦。
But you see, there is there's a guy named Jim Jones. Jim Jones.
有個人叫 Jim Jones，
He is a cult head. A cult. He's a head of an organization, a black organization.
佢係嗰啲黑社會嗰啲大頭子嚟嘅，
This is a true story.
呢個真故仔嚟㗎。
He have managed to influence 950 followers of his followers to drink poison and they all die.
佢有咁嘅力量咧，佢係一個邪教嘅阿頭嚟嘅，有咁嘅力量去影響佢下邊900幾人去飲一啲毒藥去自殺，
And then he killed himself also and he died.
跟住佢咪自己自殺埋。
But the good thing is he can persuade 950 people to drink poison to kill themselves.
最奧妙嘅就係佢點可以令到影響到950個人飲毒藥，跟住就自己自殺埋咧？
If someone like Jim Jones can influence 950 people to kill himself,
如果有啲人好似 Jim Jones 咁樣可以影響950個人去自殺嘅話，
you think you cannot persuade 6 people to be richer?
你諗下，你唔可以說服6個人去揾更加多錢？
You know what is hard?
你知唔知咩難
The
在邊
hard
度？
thing is your friends or people in Hong Kong in their forehead do not have anything said, I want to be active.
難在咧就係啲人嘅額頭咧冇作咗個字，就話我想做啊！
You only need to find 6 active people,
你只需要揾6個活躍嘅人。
but unfortunately nobody said in their forehead, I want to be active.
最慘就係啲人個額頭冇作咗呢啲字咧，
So the only way you can find them is by making a list first,
所以點樣揾呢啲人咧？就係列一個名單啦，
and then you invite people,
邀請佢哋
and then you show them the plan,
講呢個計劃啦，
and then you do follow up,
做跟進，
and then you know whether they want to be active or not.
咁你就知道佢哋想唔想去做活躍啦。
And then after that, you promote and use Amway products.
跟住咧就推送，叫佢哋用安利嘅產品啦。
And then after that, you promote and use Network 21 tools, tapes, books, meetings.
跟住你就推送網絡21同埋個系統啦，用書帶聚會工具啦，
And then you just humble yourself to be teachable. That's all.
同埋你謙虛你自己啦，做一個受教嘅學生就係咁多。
So I know I simplify a little bit,
我知道我講得簡單咗，
but actually, I have passed high school. Anybody have passed high school here?
有冇人讀完中學啊？呢度
Okay, most of you, right?
大部分人讀完中學。
I can tell you now, to be diamond is easier than passing an exam of high school.
我話俾你聽，做鑽石咧係易過完成你個中學嘅階段。
I have passed high school.
我試過讀中學，
I have passed diamond.
我又試過做鑽
So
石，
you have to believe me.
所以你要信我，
Being diamond is easier than passing high school exam.
做鑽石咧係易過你過會考嗰關。
But why all of us can finish high school in 3 years? 3 years here? 5 years. Why here 5 years you can all finish high school?
點解全部人5年裏邊都可以完成中學嘅階段呢？
Because
因為
because there is a discipline by teacher, right?
因為有教師喺度引導我哋啊嘛。
If you don't do this, we punish you.
你唔做咧就俾人罰㗎啦。
But here nobody will punish you.
但係呢度冇人罰你啊嘛。
What if next time we said, if you don't show the plan 15 plans a month, we tell you to go around Hong Kong area naked?
如果話你下次咧你唔講15個計劃咧，我要你喺香港攞跑，
All of you going to be diamond.
我諗你全部人都會做鑽石啦。
So self-discipline is hard.
嗱，所以要自律咧，就係開始要自律咧，就比較困難啲。
That's why whenever people become successful in this business, they can become successful in any other business.
所以咧，啲人喺呢個生意裏邊做得成功嘅話，喺所有生意都可以做得成功。
A lot of my friends, a lot of people in Indonesia, after successful in this business, they get promotion in their work.
好多印尼嘅人咧，佢哋喺呢個生意裏邊做得成功嘅話咧，喺佢哋日頭嘅職業裏邊咧都得到升職嘅。
Okay? So number 4, never give up.
第4咧就話永不放棄啦。
There have been so many reasons for me wants to quit from this business.
以我嚟講咧，我有好多個原因咧，我係可以令到我喺呢個生意放棄嘅。
But I remember a story about Mitch and Didri Salah.
但我諗起 Mission Digital Sala 一個故事。
Whenever I want to quit, I remember my upline.
每一次我想放棄嘅時候，我就諗翻我上線，
Because his sponsor
因為佢嘅保薦人咧
sponsor Mitch and Didri Salah and get frustrated.
保薦咗 Mission Digital Sala 之後咧，跟住咧就好失望啦。
After 17 months, Mitch and Didri Salah only 3%.
17個月之後咧 ，Mission Digital Sala 只做到3%。
So the sponsor think he sponsor an idiot.
咁嗰個保薦人咧就以為保薦咗
So
個
he quit.
蠢蛋啦，所以個保薦人就放棄咗。
And now Mitch and Didri Salah is crown ambassador.
而家 Mission Digital Sala 咧已經係皇冠大使啦，
The first crown ambassador in Australia.
澳洲嘅第一對皇冠大使。
He has 26 different legs all around the world.
佢喺全世界裏邊有26隻腳。
He has business in more than 20 countries,
喺20個唔同國家有生意。
and I'm just one of his very little business.
我只不過係佢生意裏邊一個小小部分。
You know how it feels for the sponsor?
你諗下佢個保薦人會點諗？
So bad, isn't it?
真係好慘。
Because in Amway, you cannot say, Amway, I used to be Miss Andy Risala sponsor. Can I become his sponsor again?
喺安利嘅生意裏邊，你唔係話因為我係佢哋嘅保薦人，而家我又想翻轉頭做佢哋保薦人喎。
Once you quit, that's it.
你停咗之後咧，冇咗就冇咗㗎啦。
That's why don't quit.
所以唔好放棄。
Who have sponsored at least one person? Please stand up.
有冇邊個保薦最少一個人啊？
Those of you who have not sponsored anybody, keep sitting down. But
Nah.
those of you who sponsored someone, stand up.
唔好保薦個人嘅繼續坐喺度，保薦個人嘅繼續企喺度。
Okay, you are trapped. Congratulations. You are trapped in Amway business now
恭喜你哋已經跌咗落呢個生意嘅陷阱，
because you cannot quit anymore, right?
因為你唔可以再放
Thank you.
棄。
Please sit down.
多謝你。
And those of you who still sit down, who haven't sponsored anybody,
冇保薦個人嗰啲朋友咧，
take my advice.
聽我講，
Quit now.
而家就放棄。
I'm serious. Before you sponsored someone,
我好認真嘅，你保薦任何人之前，
if you think you wanna quit, you better quit now.
如果你諗住你始終都會放棄嘅話，不如而家就放棄啦。
If you think you just want to do this Amway business, I just see, whether it works or not. Quit now.
如果你諗住做呢個安利生意，就想試下佢得唔得嘅啫，你不如而家就放棄啦。
Because once you sponsor someone
因為你保薦咗一個人之後，
and then you quit,
跟住你就放棄，
that person maybe one day sponsor someone, sponsor someone, sponsor someone,
嗰個人可能繼續保薦，
and then sponsor someone, sponsor someone, sponsor someone,
繼續保薦，
and then sponsor someone, sponsor someone, sponsor
又
someone,
繼續保薦，
and go on not only 1 month, not only 1 year, maybe 5 years,
繼續可能維持5年嘅時間呢，
maybe about 50 deep,
可能落去50層深，
sponsor someone in Beijing.
可能咧去到某一個北京嘅人啦。
In 5 years' time, he has 100 people, 100,000 people in his organization.
咁呢一個喺北京嘅人呢，可能有10萬個人喺個組織裏邊。
And then Quickstar.com come into China and Hong Kong.
跟住 Quickstar.com 就嚟咗香港同埋中國啦。
And the biggest cyber mall in the world comes in this area.
咁最大嘅科技嘅網上市場嚟咗呢個國家。
And all these people shop every day for day, like to buy clothes, to buy toothbrush, every day buy from Quickstar.com.
咁而呢10萬人呢，每日嘅日用品呢，都喺 Quickstar.com 裏邊購買。
You know how much you lose?
你知唔知你損失咗幾多？
This leg, if you are the diamond, this leg can cost you millions of US dollar.
如果呢條線係你嘅呢，呢條線呢，可以令到你帶動到成數以萬計嘅收入嘅。
I don't have this many people
我冇咁多
in
人，
one leg.
我一隻腳裏邊冇咁多人。
I only one of the leg. I mean, average leg is not this many.
我其中一隻，我啲腳冇咁多人。
I only have 6 to become diamond,
我做鑽石嘅時候，我只有6隻腳。
and I can already have the lifestyle I have right now.
我嗰陣時就係有我嘅生活模式。
You know the house that I have right now?
你知唔知我而家有嗰間屋呢？
Not a single cent coming from other business other than Amway.
我起嗰間屋嗰啲錢啊，全部都由安利呢個生意嚟嘅。
Everything that I own now is Amway money.
我而家擁有嘅每一樣嘢都係安利俾嘅，
And this is Amway, conventional Amway,
而呢個只不過係一個你認識嘅安利，
not yet e-commerce Amway.
仲未係去發展到一個電子商業嘅
Can
安
you
利。
imagine if e-commerce arrive to China?
你有冇諗過，如果電子商業嚟到中國嘅話，
Don't quit.
你唔好放棄啊！
Well, there have been so many reasons for me to quit.
嗱，我都講過，我要放棄咧，真係有好
I
多
always want
個
to
原
quit.
因。我成日都想放棄嘅。
You know, my sister became 21%.
你有冇知唔知？我有個姐姐咧，有做到21% 啊！
The next day, her husband is very negative. He asked her to quit.
跟住嗰日咧，佢老公咧就好負面嘅，佢老公就叫佢去放棄呢個生意啦。
I was so angry.
我好嬲，
I wanted to quit also.
我都想放棄。
When my mother cried, I want to quit.
我媽喊嘅時候，我又都想
When
放
my
棄。
friends negative, I want to quit.
當我啲朋友負面嘅時候，我又想放棄。
When I slept only 4 hours every day, I want to quit.
我每日瞓4個鐘頭嘅時候，我又想放棄。
When I go home late and I see every lights already turned off, it's 12 midnight.
當我好夜翻到屋企成12點嘅時候，全部燈熄晒嘅時候呢，
And then I went into the garage, very slowly opening the gate,
我好慢咁樣開個閘門入車房，
and then sitting in the corner of the kitchen having noodles.
坐喺個廚房嘅角落頭食麵嘅時候，
I cried
我都喊，
because it's tough.
因為好辛
And
苦。
the next day I had to work.
第二日仲要翻工喎，
And then see a lot of my friends tell me, "Hi Sophie, good morning Sophie."
翻到工咧仲要見到好多我同事話：，翻緊佬。
They did not know how hard I work. I had been working.
佢哋唔知道我有幾辛勤咁工作，
That's why we really need this kind of meeting to be recognized.
所以我哋需要呢啲聚會去令到我哋受褒獎。
Because people in this room know and can give you recognition for Silver Eagle, Gold Eagle.
因為喺呢間房嘅人，佢哋先知道你做嘅嘢，佢哋會褒獎你做金鷹啊、銀鷹啊。
So there have been so many times I want to quit.
有好多嘅無數次我想放棄。
When I was driving in the middle of nowhere,
當我揸嚟揸去都唔知揸緊去邊嘅時候，
I got tire punch.
我條胎穿咗啦，
Replace it in the middle of the night.
半夜3更就係換胎，
Was raining.
落雨啦，
Got sick the next day.
病啦，第日
I wanted to quit
我都想放棄㗎。
because I had to. The next day, I've got 120 people ready to work for me.
因為第二日我就有120個人想為我工作啦。
They want to do whatever I say.
佢哋想我講乜，佢哋都想做乜，想跟住去做。
And then in the evening, I go to Prospect home, show the plan there, show me off the way. Go home.
但係到我夜晚開去講計劃嘅時候咧，又遇到人嘅拒絕。
I've been told to go out of the house once by a prospect.
曾經咧有一次我去講計劃嘅時候咧，有人趕我出門口。
Well, expect the worst, okay?
所以咧你就要去諗住有啲最壞嘅事
I'm
作為打算。
telling you now not to discourage you.
我而家話俾你聽，唔係令到你氣餒啊！
I just tell you, if you haven't been told to go out of Prospect House,
我淨係話俾你聽，如果仲未有人同你講掟你出門口嘅時候，
you haven't tried many enough.
你都未試得夠。
Because there will be a lot of, if you are discouraged, expect the worst. Expect for the worst to come.
如果你係氣餒嘅話咧，你應該作最壞嘅打算。
And you will feel this is nothing compared to something else.
咁你咧就會覺得呢個都唔係啲咩最差嘅事嚟嘅啫。
But now, when I enjoy myself at home,
而家當我喺屋企咧享受緊我生活嘅時候，
I swim average twice a day.
我一日游2次水啦。
So I got up at 9 o'clock
我9點鐘起身啦，
and then go to swim.
游水，
And then after that, I took shower.
跟住沖涼。
And then sometime 3 times a week, I took my daughter to school.
大約1個禮拜去3次帶個女翻學啦，
And then we can watch movie
跟
together.
住同老婆一齊睇戲啦。
And then before having shower in the evening again, I swim again.
夜晚沖涼之前咧，我又再游水。
And then we travel around the world. Last time we just came back from Hawaii and California with my children.
我哋又環遊世界啦，上次啱啱喺夏威夷同埋加利福尼亞州翻嚟。
And then when I see my parents' eyes,
當我睇翻我父母嘅目光嘅時候，
I went to Europe with him, with my dad.
我帶我爸爸去歐洲啦。
And then my papa said, Robert, without you, maybe I wouldn't be here.
咁我爸爸就同我講話，冇你咧，我諗我都嚟唔到歐洲啦。
I almost cried.
我嗰陣時差唔多喊，
Because I remember when I was a child, he never pat me on my back.
因為我記得我細個嗰陣時候啦，爸爸從來都冇讚過我嘅。
Now I can really see that he is proud of me.
而家我真係知道我爸爸
I'm so happy.
係引我為榮，我好開心。
Only his one sentence, Robert, without you, maybe I wouldn't be here.
只要佢講一句説話就話冇你，我今日嚟唔到歐洲，
I'm willing to do 10 times harder whatever I did.
我就已經願意去做再付出10倍多啲嘅努力。
This business is nothing. The process to go diamond is hard, but nothing compared to the result.
呢個生意咧做轉就好難，但係咧 當你見到嗰個回報嘅時候咧，乜嘢都係好容易噶啦。
So that's why you have to have a dream.
所以你係需要一個夢想，
You have to keep thinking about your dream.
你要去集中諗住你嘅夢想。
And then you have to feel when you are asked to, when you become a diamond, you have to be prepared about your story.
當你成為鑽石嘅時候咧，你要準備你嘅故事啦。
What kind of dress you want to put on.
諗下你當時要着啲咩衫，
And then what kind of song, your diamond song.
你諗下你個主題曲係點。
Whenever you after you show the plan and people reject you, you listen to the song, your song, diamond song.
每一次咧，你講完計劃咧，俾人拒絕咗嘅時候，聽翻你做你嗰支鑽石嘅歌。
You notice whenever I go up the stage, the song Final Countdown is being played.
你有留意我每次上台嘅時候咧，嗰首歌咧個音樂咧 Final Countdown 咧就會播出嚟㗎啦。
That is not just another song.
呢個唔係隨便一首歌，
It means a lot to me
呢首歌對我嚟講係好有意思，
because it made me going to this business.
因為呢首歌咧令到我
Whenever I want to quit, I remember Final Countdown.
每一次我想放棄嘅時候，我就諗到最後衝刺。
I know that I'm going to be diamond very soon.
我知道我好快脆就做成鑽石。
Whenever people rejected me and I wanted to quit, I know that one more,
每次我俾人拒絕，我想放棄嘅時候，我知道我多咗一粒，
one more.
又多一粒波子。
It's just like a final countdown towards a millennium, right?
正如咧，我哋去倒數咧，去到呢個公元2000年，
It's going to happen.
一定會發生嘅。
The millennium is going to happen, the third millennium.
2000年一定會嚟嘅，
Counting down is everywhere.
度度都係做緊倒數。
What is your millennium?
你嘅千禧嘅目標係乜嘢呢？
Write down the dates for you to become a diamond
寫低你做鑽石嘅日期，
and then start counting down from there.
由嗰度開始倒數。
And I don't want you to regret, okay?
我唔想你有乜嘢要後悔。
I'm invited by Network 21.
我係被網絡21邀請嚟，
I don't have any group here.
我喺呢度完全冇組織。
Actually, if I don't come, I don't care also.
如果我唔嚟呢，我都冇所謂。
But after just 1 or 2 days, I like so much, especially my host Bo Chan and Jolie look after me very well.
但係嚟咗一兩日之後呢，我好開心，因為阿 Bo 同 Jolie 呢就好好款待我。
They have been my very good friend. Thank you very
佢
much.
哋係我好朋友，多謝晒。
And it's nice. At first, I told the leaders, at first I was very nervous of the Hong Kong people.
最初呢，我同啲領袖講，我話我好擔心啊，對住啲香港人，
Because when I was in Australia, they are very serious.
因為我喺澳洲嘅時候呢，見到啲香港人呢，佢哋個個都好嚴肅嘅，
And also I had bad experience.
同埋我有啲唔好嘅回憶，
Because I look like Chinese, but I cannot speak Chinese.
因為我樣似中國人，但係唔識講中文。
So when I went to the Chinese restaurant, they talk in Cantonese very fast.
所以我去中國餐館嘅時候呢，好多
And I
人
replied back in English.
用廣東話同我講，但我用英文嚟答
And。the waiter looked at me and he's very angry at me.
咁啲侍應呢就好嬲啊，望住我，
Because maybe he thought that I'm Chinese but pretend not to speak Chinese.
因為佢哋以為我係中國人，又扮唔識講中文。
But it turns out that Hong Kong people are very nice.
但係唔係喎，我嚟到香港啲人係好
You
好
all
喎，
smile.
個個都笑嘅。
I love this business because I meet with a lot of new friends.
我好中意呢個生意，因為透過呢個生意認識到好多新朋友。
So anyway, tomorrow I go out of Hong Kong.
無論如何，我聽日就離開香港啦。
So you are left with your diamonds here, your uplines.
你就喺呢度同你哋嘅鑽石一齊，
You have to listen to them.
你去聽佢哋講咯。
But if some of you do not like me, it's okay.
但係如果你有啲人係唔中意我嘅，都冇問題，
Because we cannot satisfy everybody.
因為我哋唔可以滿足每一個人。
But hopefully after my story here, maybe 1 or 2 of you will decide to be diamond.
但係可能透過我嘅故事呢，可能有一兩個人會想做鑽石。
And then in 5 years' time, when you become diamond, you come to see me.
咁喺5年之後呢，你做成鑽石之後，你嚟見我。
Maybe we are in Europe somewhere, in Rome,
可能我哋喺歐洲，可能喺羅馬，
having a very nice dinner overlooking the Pisa Tower.
可能我哋嗰時食緊一個好靚嘅晚餐，望緊呢個比薩斜塔。
And then you come to see me.
咁你嚟見我啦，
You say, "Hey Robert, thank you very much."
你
Okay.
話：誒 Robert 真係唔該晒。
Do I know you?
我識唔識你嘅呢？
Oh, you probably don't remember me, but I was at your seminar back on the 17th
Yes。
17th of December 1999.
咁你走埋同 Robert 講，可能你唔認得我啦，但係我記唔記
It
得
was 5 years ago.
5年前99年嘅12月17日，我聽過你嘅聚會。
And on that day, I decided to become diamond.
喺嗰日我就決定咗做一個鑽石，
And I'm a diamond. Thank you very
而
much.
家我就做成咗啦。多謝你 Robert。
That is very nice feeling because I remember one day in America when I spoke, one guy from Turkey came to see me.
呢個係一個好好感受嚟嘅，因為我記得我喺美國有一次我演講嘅時候咧，有一個人喺土耳其走過嚟，同我講，
He said the same thing.
佢講同一番説話，
I didn't know him,
我唔識佢嘅，
but he became successful because of me. Gee,
但係佢就因為我嘅説話而變成咗成功。
a taxi driver make people successful?
一個的士司機令到人哋成功，
I never dreamt about that.
我從來都冇諗過。
But some of you, maybe next week you quit.
但係可能有啲人咧下星期就放棄
Maybe you
㗎啦，
will forget everything.
可能乜都唔記得，
It's okay also.
亦都冇問題嘅。
You're not my family.
你又唔係我屋企人，
You're not my
你
downlines.
又唔係我下線，
I'm here just to share my stories.
我就係喺呢度講個故事啫嘛。
But one thing that I know,
但係有一樣嘢我知嘅，
it doesn't matter whether you are in this business or not in this business.
無論你喺呢個生意裏邊與否，
What I know is Amway is going to be successful.
我淨係知道咧，你係一定會成功嘅。
The question is whether you or someone else outside this room going to take this opportunity.
個問題就係話，你或者喺房外邊嘅人會唔會掌握呢個機會？
If I were you, I wouldn't want to regret.
如果我係你咧，我絕對唔想以後會後悔。
I don't want in 5 years' time when my child growing up
我唔想5年之後我啲細路仔長大咗，
and she know already the difference between rich people and poor people.
佢知道有錢人同埋窮人嘅分別，
And her friends, all her friends are rich.
而佢全部嘅朋友都係有錢嘅，
Travel every year.
每年都去遊埠。
Their father do not work.
佢哋嘅爸爸唔做嘢嘅，
Beautiful house.
間屋好靚。
And then my daughter asked their friends, "What is your father work? What does your father do?"
我個女咧就問佢其他啲小朋友就話：你爸爸做咩㗎？
And then her friend said, "Oh, our father Amway."
我爸爸喺做安利啫嘛。
And I don't want her to go back home to ask me,
咁我就唔想我個女再翻屋企問我
"Papa, what is Amway?"
爸爸安利係咩嚟㗎？
And I don't want to answer, "Oh, Amway, 5 years ago, Papa was invited in BBS."
咁我唔想我同我個女講就，我5年前我都去過安利嗰個業務拓展講座嘅。
Papa remember someone from Indonesia telling about Amway, but Papa don't want to take that.
嗱，爸爸咧就記得嗰日咧有人喺印尼過嚟講過呢個生意，但係我就冇參與咯。
And I don't want my daughter said, "Papa, you're so stupid."
咁我唔想我個女就話：爸爸你咁蠢㗎？
No, of course.
當然
No, of course my daughter will not be that rude.
當然啦，我女唔會咁曳嘅。
But you know, regret is so painful.
後悔咧係好痛苦嘅，
And the pain of regret will stay forever.
由後悔而帶嚟嘅痛楚咧係會成世咁跟住我哋。
The pain of hard work only temporary.
因為工作辛勤工作而帶嚟嘅痛苦咧，
You
只不過
will
暫時嘅，你會忘記
I
嘅。
still remember to just for telling stories, but I forget about the pain.
我仲記得我講起個故仔嘅時候，我仲記得嗰陣時嘅痛楚，但係嗰陣時係好短暫嘅。
To close tonight, I want to tell you a regret story.
總結之前，我想講俾你聽一個故仔關於後悔嘅。
If you want to quit, remember this story.
如果你想放棄呢個生意，記得呢個故仔嚇。
About a father also who have a very nice car, beautiful car.
呢個故事咧係關於一個爸爸，佢有架好靚嘅車，
And he's washing the car, the new car.
佢洗緊架新車啦。
And then he's very proud of the car, so he's cleaning it up very properly.
佢咧好引以為榮，所以咧洗架車洗得好靚。
And then he got thirsty, so he went in to have to drink.
咁樣咧，佢就放低啲嘢，跟住入去屋企飲一杯嘢啦。
And he has a 4-year-old son playing near the car.
咁佢有個4歲嘅仔，呢個仔喺架車附近玩咯喎。
And this 4-year-old son often see his daddy's friend's car with some pictures.
咁佢個仔咧就諗起佢小朋友啲爸爸啲車咧，車上面有啲圖案嘅。
So this young boy wants to impress his father.
咁呢個細路仔咧就想討好佢爸爸啦。
So he took a screwdriver.
佢攞個螺絲批。
So he drew picture on the bonnet, on the door, on the glass.
咁樣咧，佢就攞螺絲批咧，就喺個門啊，喺個車身裏邊咧就畫公仔啦。
He was so happy because he knows his papa will be so proud of him.
佢好開心，因為佢知道咧一定會討好到佢爸爸嘅。
His papa's car will be as beautiful as other cars with nice pictures.
佢爸爸嘅車咧就好似其他啲靚車一樣，有好多好靚嘅圖案。
He even put some hammer to knock on the car, very nice and beautiful.
佢甚至咧攞個錘咧揼個螺絲批揼啲圖案喺架車度添。
And whilst he is doing that,
當佢做緊呢個動作嘅時候咧
his papa came out.
爸爸喺屋裏邊出嚟啦。
His papa was so mad.
佢爸爸好嬲，
He lost his control.
完全咧失晒控制。
By the way, this is a true story.
呢個係一個真人真事嘅故仔。
And then his papa grabbed the hammer from his hand.
佢爸爸喺個細路仔嘅手上面搶咗呢個錘。
Without saying anything, he bashed the boy's hands with the hammer many times.
乜都冇講，佢淨係揸住個錘咧，係咁揼個仔嘅手。
Many times, and then the young boy collapsed.
揼咗個仔嘅手無數次，跟住個細路仔暈咗啦，
Blood everywhere.
全部都係血。
True story.
呢個真人真事故仔。
To cut the long story short, the young boy was taken, rushed to the hospital.
咁長話短説啦，咁細路仔咧就俾人送咗入醫院。
And his hand has to be amputated.
個細路仔隻手咧係要切割啊！
It's true story.
真故仔。
And then the next day, when he got conscious, his papa came in to the next to the bed.
呢個細路仔第二日有翻知覺嘅時候咧，佢爸爸咧就去到佢病床身邊
His
啦。
papa felt so sorry.
佢爸爸就覺得好
He could
好
not say
內疚，
any word.
一句説話都講唔出。
He just stared at his boy.
佢就望住個細路仔。
And then when this boy opened his eyes, this young boy was crying.
呢個細路仔擘大眼嘅時候咧，佢就喊啦。
Papa, forgive me, please.
爸爸，你原諒我啦
I'm so sorry.
我對你唔住啊！
I promise I will never do that anymore.
我保證我以後都唔會整翻你架車。
Papa, please forgive me.
爸爸，你原諒我啦！
He cried and cried and cried.
呢個細路仔不停咁喊，
It's true story.
呢個真故仔嚟㗎。
Papa, I promise I will never do that again.
爸爸，我保證我以後都唔再做㗎啦。
As long as you return my hands.
你俾翻隻手我啦。
His papa didn't say anything.
個爸爸一啲嘢都冇講過。
He went out the room, get into the car,
佢爸爸衝出咗個病房，走
rush
入架
to
車
the,
度，
to the home,
揸翻屋企，
enter the room,
翻咗屋企，
open the drawer,
打開咗櫃桶，
pull out the gun,
攞把槍出嚟，
bang.
自殺。
True story.
真故仔嚟㗎，
He killed himself.
佢自殺咗。
So I don't want to finish this seminar and you cry. No, not. It's not my
我
intention.
唔係想令你喊嚟完結呢個聚會，
I just want to make a point.
我淨係想講一點，
My point is, regret is so painful,
我淨係想講後悔係好慘嘅，好痛嘅，
and it will stay for the rest of your life.
同埋會成世咁跟隨住你。
But the pain of hard working is very temporary.
但係辛勞工作帶嚟嘅痛苦咧係好短暫嘅啫。
I want you to mark on your diary 17th of December as the day you were born in Amway Business.
我想你寫低喺12月17號呢一日，你就喺安利嘅生意裏邊誕生咗，
And the day you decide to be a diamond.
同埋寫埋你想做鑽石嗰個日期，
And then you keep doing because you never give up.
同埋你不停咁樣做，因為你知道你永遠都唔會放棄。
And then I will see you all around the world.
同埋我就跟住咧，就喺全世界都會見翻你哋。
And I'll see you as speakers in Indonesia to share the same stories.
同埋我會喺印尼見翻你，因為你會喺印尼咧幫我哋咧
Thank
演
you
繹你
very
嘅故仔。
much for
多
all
謝
of
晒
you.
你哋。
本雷射光碟由網絡21機構擁有，如非網絡21書面許可，嚴禁翻錄。我們不能保證本雷射光碟所提供之技術對閣下切實可行，但我們相信其中之意見，定能協助閣下建立強大而利潤豐厚之生意。 如閣下願意跟隨這個由成功人士設定之系統，運用網絡21之培訓聚會及雷射光碟，你的成功機會定能大大增加。本雷射光碟為獨立發行，